Let's continue to example number 3. On example number 3, they tell you that the log base 3 of 2 is about 6.3 or 0.63. The log base 3 of 5 is about or approximately 1.47. We want to be able to approximate the value of log base 3 of 20. We want to be able to rewrite the 20 in terms of 2 and 5, so we can substitute those two values and approximate the value of log base 3 of 20. So let's go and do our factor tree. 20 is 10 times 2. 10 is 2 times 5, and then we have the 2. So we can rewrite this as the log base 3. Instead of the 20, will be 2 times 2 times 5. 2 times 2 times 5. That's equal to 20. Now, because they're multiplying, we can expand it just the same way that we did here with the plus in between. So it'll be the log base 3 of 2, the log base 3 of 2, the log base 3 of 5, and there should be a plus in between because they are multiplying. Now, we can substitute those values. Will be the log base 3 of 2 we know is 0.63. Same thing for this one. And for the last one, log base 3 of 5 is approximately 1.47. I'm going to add them. 3, 3, 9, that's 13. We carry a 1. 6, 12, 16, 17, and we carry 1. So it'll be 2.73. Let's continue with the next one. We are going to do the factor tree because we want to be able to rewrite the 8 in terms of 2 or 5. 8 will be 4 times 2. The 4 is 2 times 2. So I can rewrite this as the log base 3 of 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 2. Now I can expand this as 3 logs base 3, log base 2, base 3 of 2, and the log base 3 of 2. Between them there should be a plus because they're all multiplying. And now we can substitute the values. Log base 3 of 2 is approximately 0.63, 0.63, and 0.63. Now let's go ahead and add them. 3 plus 3 plus 3 is 9. It's me 18. So approximately will be 1.89. So log base 3 of 8 is about 1.89. For letter C, there's a division in between. We need to be able to rewrite in terms of 2 and 5. It's already rewritten as 2 and 5, so we can just expand it. This will be the log base 3 of 5, the log base 3 of 2, and in between both of them, there should be a minus because of the division. Now let's go and substitute the values. This will be 1.47 minus the log base 3 of 2 is 0.63. We'll do the subtraction above. 1.47 minus 0.63, that's 4. I'm going to borrow 1, that is 8. So it will be 0.84 approximately. Now let's go over to the back side. We have a change of formula. This will be on your tests very often because we use this to be able to evaluate logs. Now on your calculator, you don't have the log base 5. we only have log base 10 or log base e, which is ln. If you guys notice on your calculator, you only have the log or ln, but you don't have log base 5. In order to be able to evaluate it, we need to be able to change the base, and we have the following property. It doesn't matter the base, we can change it to any base that we want as long as we divide it. But let's go and go through. We're going to be changing to the log base 10, common log. So this will be the log over the log. This will be 7 over 5. So log base 5 of 7 is the same thing as the log of 7 divided by log of 5. Now, using the table below, if you use the table below, we know that the log base 7, the log of 7 is about 8.45. This will be 0.8451 divided by the log of 5 will be 0.6990. But for your answer for now, you can just give me this. Don't worry about evaluating or dividing. You just want to be able to, we can rewrite it as a common log, just because you guys are not able to use a calculator in the class. For the next one, this will be the log on top, the log on the bottom. This will be 10 over 2. The log of 10 over the log of 2 is the same as the log base 2 of 10. Many times you guys will see this because this is a 10. We know there's a little tiny 10 underneath. You guys might see it as 1 over the log of 2. Now for now, both answers will be correct. I prefer if you are able to recognize that this is equal to 1. For problem number 5, we want to be able to evaluate it or rewrite it using natural log. So this will be the natural log over the natural log. There'll be a 20 on top and a 7 on the bottom. Now you can type into your calculator and evaluate it. And same thing for letter B. This will be the natural log over the natural log. It will be 13 and a 3. And you can type it into your calculator and evaluate. So this will conclude the lesson for today. Please email me if you have any questions, and have a great day.